So, I'm speechless. My name is Michael Christie. I'm with Think Real Estate. Today we have an incredible house to show you. We're at 5222 Finisterre Drive in Panama City Beach, Florida. Just some quick stats. 7 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, 9,250 square feet. The attention to detail in this house is just incredible. We've got 2 guest houses over here, and then we've got 6 garage spaces, 300 feet of waterfront along the bay, 2 private docks, an infinity pool. There's a movie theater, there's a safe room, there's let's just go check it out. It's crazy, it's crazy. So, as you enter this incredible house through your 17-foot mahogany, ridiculous front door, you come into this grand foyer area, polished marble flooring, 30-foot ceilings with just incredible millwork beams up there, limestone pillars. You've got your dining room over here with this incredible light fixture, and I mean, 30-foot mantle of just solid stone. That's also a pass-through to another room, to your office that's behind this wall. Got this cool little catwalk over here, a little balcony with the incredible ironwork inlaid on it. If you turn around, you see what this house is all about, looking over your infinity pool and your 300 feet of water frontage along the bay. And what's awesome about this property is a straight shot that way. You've got the pass into the Gulf of Mexico, and right across the bay over here, you've got some waterfront restaurants you can go to. It's just crazy. You've got the stone, this marble from the floor that comes up halfway to the wall, and just more limestone details everywhere. It's crazy. All of this just custom mahogany, and it's all inlaid in the windows. So when we come back through here, we'll go this way, because if you look this way, you've got this really cool fountain, and if you turn around, you've got the same one at the other end of the hallway. And then you've got the center line with these lights that match up perfectly to the center line of that wall that go all the way down to here. It's just little things you think about. Come into here is this ridiculous office. This is where you get it done. You just sit here, you look at your waterfront, and you just count your money. That's all you do in here. I don't know how you could get work done with this view. You just count your money. And then behind you've got all these crazy built-in cabinets. Again, just incredible detail. So as we come out of the office, we'll go into this wing of the house that is all the master suite. This master suite's bigger than my entire house. Well, this could honestly be its own little house. It's like a 3-bed, 1-bath house right here. But you got the marble floor that continues on into here, huge ceilings as well, cool design in the tray ceiling. Every bedroom in this house has a view of the water. So the main floor plan of the house, the main house is a 4-bed, and then you've got the 2 guest houses across the street and an attached mother-in-law suite over here to come up with 7 total bedrooms. But again, you've got just endless views of your bayfront. You've got your view of your pool deck. I mean, this place is honestly, I've stayed in resorts that aren't as nice as this house. This is crazy. His and hers closets that again are just huge with all built-in cabinets, custom shelving. I think this is an actual water fountain, but they've got the water turned off. But that'd be a nice little, peaceful sound to wake up to every morning with your water coming out of your fountain. One of a few laundry rooms in this house that's also her closet. This is a really awesome setup because now you can just do your laundry in here. You don't have to lug it across the house. You've just got a little folding table here, pull the laundry out, you fold it, or you just probably pay someone to do your laundry for you if you live in a house like this. But come into the other side, you come into your master bathroom, just this incredible granite, intricate detail on your vanities, his and her sinks, and then you've got another little area over here that you could probably honestly make a little wet bar if you wanted to. I mean, this is, you could have a party in here. You just sit in here with, a couple of your closest friends if that's what you're into, and you just hang out in your massive, oversized hot tub. If the pool wasn't enough for you, you can just come in here, hang out. And if you don't like that, then you just come into your awesome shower, that's just got shower head, shower head, shower head, shower head, shower head, just shower heads everywhere. So many shower heads. You just stand here and you just put your arms up and you just twirl around. It just washes you. That's crazy. This is so cool. And just like, you know, you've got all the limestone matching accents and all the pillars and everything else. There's just so much. There's just so much to look at. Okay, so let's go to the other side of the house now. All of these doors also, they're all hurricane rated doors and windows throughout this house, which is a huge safety feature if you're gonna live on the waterfront. So come to the other side. Again, you're met with this awesome water fountain. Let's start over here. We come into here, so linen closet, you've got this really awesome powder room. It's got this like cool floating, they're really into like marble and like iron work in this house. But anyway, you've got this cool like floating marble vanity and just like the details in this sink are crazy. But it's just, you know, just one of your many bathrooms in this house. Through that door, you've got a garage, and then this is your pantry. It's coming to this awesome kitchen, fully equipped, all Wolf appliances, incredible granite. Just the amount of detail in these cabinets is crazy. Again, like your limestone pillars, you've got more accents in the like tray ceiling with like more little millwork pieces. This insane I think this is limestone hood over your Wolf oven, gas oven. Got like another little Sub-Zero mini fridge over here. I love these fridges that have like the custom cabinetry to like match the wood on the cabinets, so you don't see it, because obviously if you live in a house that's nice, you don't want to see your fridge. Another cool feature about this house, you've got this living room, again, corner window, watch this. So you've got this like smart panel throughout the house that controls everything, thermostat, lights, like everything. Just hit open, check this out. Most of the time, like I've seen this in houses before, but they're like clunky, they're heavy, you have to like unlatch them, you gotta push them out of the way. This just does it for you, because when you spend $9 million on a house, it should open for you. You walk out here into your like resort style back patio. You've got a whole, you know, professional kitchen with all of your grills, anything you could possibly want, your TV. This outside space is air conditioned. There's an air conditioner up here, because obviously in Florida it gets hot and you don't want to be hot if you're going to sit on your back porch and look at your waterfront. Why would you? So again, 330 feet of water frontage along the bay. All limestone flooring on your pool deck. You got another hot tub in case your hot tub and your bathroom's not big enough. You could come chill outside and watch a killer sunset. And then you've got this insane infinity pool that just flows right into the bay. It's crazy. You're on a double lot, just I think right over an acre, which is, you don't find that here. Like waterfront is so desirable here, you don't find someone that's got 2 waterfront lots and built 1 house on it. What's really cool is you've got 2 deeded docks. So this dock is privately owned. That's where this is like just specifically for this house. That's where you can put like your toys, like your jet skis, all that stuff. And if you're into like big fishing, that dock over there is also yours. You have access to it. It's owned by 3 separate people. But that's like your deep water dock where you can put like your big boats if you're, you know, that's not gonna fit on your other dock. So we'll go back inside, check up the upstairs, and then we'll go check out one of your 3 guest rooms across the driveway over here. As you come through here, another really cool feature about this is you have an attached mother-in-law. If you've got, you know, a mom, or you've got kids, or, you know, whatever, you can just throw them over here. They have their own space. Again, with incredible water views. I thought I was cool. I've got a guest house at my house. I thought I was cool with 1. This guy's got like 3. This is just crazy. I love this fan up here. It's really cool. Yeah, I mean, just you've got this huge mother-in-law suite, and you've got an attached bathroom over here, and this one's already set up for really if you had like, you know, your elderly parent that you needed to live with you. You've got this walk-in tub, so they don't have to like, you know, crawl over a big tub like I had to in the other bathroom. Really awesome shower here. This is crazy. Coming out of there, you come onto this other porch, and this is a little breezeway that connects to your other 2 guest houses over there. You've got 6 garages, so you've got 2 over here, you've got 2 over here, and there's another 2 behind this one over here with more like ample parking. So we will go back inside and check out the upstairs where the rest of the bedrooms are. Just again, I mean, like, look, every ceiling has just crazy detail. Like, and just like these marble floors, like these I think are like, what? These are probably like 4x4 chunks of just polished marble. Like, having to lay these individually, but these are so heavy, and just not to mention just the cost of laying these. So over here, you've got like a little safe room that goes underground. What's really cool about this space is if you wanted to, the way the house is insulated, you could convert this into like a little wine fridge or like a wine room kind of thing, wine cellar. Just the way the house was built and insulated, this is like a perfect, if you don't need a safe room, you just use it as like a wine cellar. You can build it out easily. Also, second laundry room on this side of the house, just more closet space. Nothing really crazy in here, but again, just like the detail in every room is the same. Everything matches, it flows, it's good. Crazy. So as you come up the stairs, by far my favorite room of the house, you got your full like game room / movie theater. You just come in here with a couple of your closest friends, you pop on a cool movie, and you just sit in your chair, and you push a button, and it reclines for you. And then another cool thing, I don't know how to work it, but this whole, like where it's curved right here, you've got curtains, you push a button on like your little tablet, your little, you know, master control panel, and this all closes off with blackout curtains. You've got surround sound, everything like a full-fledged theater in this room. You've got your pool table, you've got a bar over here, and then if you don't feel like walking to the other side of your house to get your bedroom, you can just crash in here in this really intricate bunk room with like red velvet bedding, because why wouldn't it be velvet? And we'll come over here, we've got another full bath in this room, black toilet, that's really cool. But you've got just this incredible shower, again, just crazy granite accents throughout. And then another cool thing, every room's got these like private balconies. This one just kind of looks at your other neighbors' houses, which are also crazy. Finisterre is a gated neighborhood, so you don't have to worry about anything crazy coming in here and trying to hurt your $9 million house. Look at the sink in this bar. Like all these little mosaic tiles in your sink. Oh, that's cool. So these little, if you've ever seen a house that's got these like little holes in the wall and you've ever wondered what it is, it's a central vac. So you basically take this is like your actual vacuum, but there's like the system in the house where you just hook up that tube into here, and there's one in every room. You just plug it in and you just vacuum, so you don't have to like lug a vacuum all over your house and up and down stairs and everything else. It's like one of the most annoying things about cleaning, is your vacuum only has so long of a cord. But you don't have to worry about that because you just plug it into a wall and it goes wherever you want to. This is another one of your guest bedrooms. Again, you've got a private balcony to come out and admire this incredible waterfront view that gets also incredible sunsets. You've got your ensuite bathroom. Every room has its own ensuite bathroom. Another just crazy closet with custom shelving, custom cabinets. And then this is where you come over to your little catwalk, admire your incredible living room, your fourth bedroom, again with its own private balcony, ensuite bathroom. This is kind of cool. This sink kind of matches the one that's in the bar. So it's like a really cool like brass sink that's got these like mosaic tile inlays on it. Now we will go across the driveway and check out the guest houses. So as we come out of the living room area behind us, there's that little breezeway that comes through here. Is that door? Because the wind's trying to take it. Okay. So we come into here, which is like your main lobby for one of two guest houses. Through here is just another little garage. This is where you'd put, you know, all your fun stuff, your kayaks, your jet skis, whatever. We'll come upstairs, check out this guest house. Again, just the insane light fixtures everywhere. Like the artwork in here is really incredible. This is your guest house. Just, I mean, you wake up, you're down here for vacation, you're hanging out with your family. They give you this modest guest house to stay in. You wake up and you just look at this. I mean, what's not to love about this? This is, I could get used to this. I don't know about you, but I would live here in a heartbeat if I had $9 million. This sink is really cool. This is like one of the coolest sinks I think I've ever seen. Like, it's flat and the water just runs off and it just goes into these little grates that has like a hidden vent in it. It's just huge shower, again with the shower heads. Like, they really like shower heads here. And if you want a view while you're taking a shower, just come over here, you open it up, and you look at water while you're standing in water. How cool is that? Maybe give the neighbors a little bit of a show too, because their balcony's right there, but crazy. And then you've got a little closet over here. More just, you know, ample space. It's an air conditioner closet, not a real closet, but you know, just all this custom shelving. Like, everything is mahogany in this house. Like, archways have these just mosaic tiles in it. Like, everything, there's just so much attention to detail in this house. Again, with the crazy fans. That's another thing that people really like, are just crazy fans. All right, so the one next door is even cooler than this one. It's 3 stories instead of 2 stories, and it's got an elevator. We'll go through here, go check out guest house number 2. This is just a guest house, one of 2. They've got 2 guest houses. Oh, this is really cool. This is like you're walking down a nice little brick path in Italy. You know, you're just hanging out, having a good time. You come down here to your gate, and that's your entrance to your dock that we'll go check out in a little bit. But I mean, just, I love this house. I love this house so much. Okay, so watch your step. Come into here. This also doubles as a garage on this level. So you've got 2 more spots. They kind of have this one set up as a home gym. That's a big garage. That's really cool. This is your elevator. When you enter the lobby to the second guest house, you have the option to either take the elevator or take the stairs. So we're gonna take the stairs just because we like exercise in this household. Coming up on the second level, again, the matching polished marble that's in the main house. Got this insane kitchenette. I mean, the sink is just like, I think this is copper. And you've got like all of this, like these incredible cabinets, everything, exposed beams. Another private balcony that looks out over your neighbor's mansions as well. Comes into your bathroom. It's like really cool, like glass sink. More cabinet spaces in here. Again with the shower heads. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shower heads in every single shower in this house. Go up to the 3rd floor. I think this probably has one of the best views. Come up to this 3rd floor bunk room. This is like the coolest spot. If you're like a kid or you have kids, they can just come up here and hang out. You can give them this entire house to stay for the week. And you come out here to your little Romeo Juliet balcony, and you just sit in this chair, put your feet up, and you just admire your endless 180-degree waterfront view. I mean, this is so cool. This is what life's all about. Okay, so you've seen this incredible house, all 9,000 square feet of it, the incredible bathrooms in this place, the movie theater, the 2 guest houses, the 2 docks, the 300 feet of water frontage, this incredible pool deck area with your infinity pool, air-conditioned outdoor space. What more could you possibly ask for? I have to give a special thanks to Tanner Peacock with Scenic Sothebys Real Estate for allowing me to view this incredible property and show it to you guys. If you're interested in it, this house is listed for $9,950,000. And I mean, I think you've seen that it's worth it. So if you're interested in it, give me a call, give Tanner a call, give your favorite agent a call, and we'll see you in the next one.